Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2013 Dodge Ram. This is a crew cab, 1500. It has a 5.7 Hemi in it, chrome wheels, chrome steps. It also has a tonneau cover, and it's got the trailering, the tow hitch on the back. Very nice vehicle. It is a burnt orange in color, metallic. Inside it does have manual fabric seats. This is a 6-passenger. It does have AM/FM satellite radio. It also has Bluetooth and cruise control. The vehicle only has 81,000 miles on it. And if you would like pricing, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. It's an awesome truck, and you'll only find it at Firkins.